How to configure email notification for specific email address. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can use different notification sounds for different email addresses. Let's begin. First thing you do is open up your settings menu, then head over to apps, and once you get to app settings, you can just go ahead and search for Gmail here. And once you get to your Gmail application, head over to notifications. Now, once you go to your notification settings, head over to notification categories. Now, depending on the phone you have, you will have different emails that are here. So as you can see, I have multiple email addresses. So let's say if I want to change notification for this email, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. To change the notification, I can tap on this one and change it to any of these available notification. This is for this email address. And if I want to change it for this email, I'm going to tap on sound notification and change it to it. So every time I get notification for these two email addresses, it's going to be different if I set it differently. And that's how you set up a different notification for different email address. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.